This is a quick demo of a recent DAVEGA feature, which is the support for the LLT Power Smart BMSs. I have one right here. These BMSs are quite widely used. They are decent, a good value for money. The only downside is that they are quite bulky, but other than that they are pretty good. And they come with these Bluetooth modules that you can use to connect to the BMS from your mobile phone and access the BMS data. And this is exactly what DAVEGA uses. It also has Bluetooth, so you don't need to run any wires between the BMS and the DAVEGA. Simply what you do is, the implementation is currently experimental, so you enable it here under experimental settings. So you enable the Bluetooth, and then you need to restart the DAVEGA, and as it boots up it will initiate a Bluetooth scan and it will start looking for the BMS, and this may not always succeed. Also it's a bit slow, so you need to be patient here, and you may need to try a few times. So in this case it failed. Let me try again. And this time it succeeded. We can see the LED on the Bluetooth module light up. And if we go, now we can go to the BMS screen and we can see the BMS data. And this feature is not completely new. It was already available in firmware 4.09. But in the 5.02, which is now available as a release candidate, there's a small improvement. And that is that once you manage to establish the connection with the BMS, it will remember its MAC address, and then next time it boots up, it doesn't need to do the Bluetooth scan. So it will be able to connect to the BMS in a much faster and also more reliable way. You can see that now you just connect it instantly. So this should be actually usable. Like before, it probably wouldn't be good for anything else than experimenting, but with this implementation I believe you can already use it. Only a disclaimer, this may not work correctly or completely correctly on the older units. So if you have DAVEGA version 1.0 or 1.1, what you may sometimes experience is that as the Bluetooth is enabled, the unit may sometimes power down. If you have the newer unit, the 1.2, this should no longer happen. Also, there are several types of these LLT Power Smart BMSs, and I cannot guarantee that it will work correctly with all of them, but I'll try to gradually improve it. Like if you have one that doesn't work, please let me know, and I'll see if I can do something about it.